They watching, bruh. Now let me stop because they're dead ass caught the cops. Yo, welcome back. Another day, another video. But either way, if you don't know now, you know. My name is Keith319. Welcome back to the video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Like, you just minimize off the screen right now, right? And so you hit that big ass red button. It's gonna say subscribe, and it's gonna be right here, right? And then after you do that, hit the thumbs up, and then you comment down below MPR3, which is Money Power Respect Team. All right. Today is gonna be an interesting video.
We got a lot of stuff to do.
We have a lot of stuff to do in a short amount of time. High key.
We have a short amount of time because if you know us, we like to procrastinate a lot. So that's our fault.
I don't procrastinate.
We were supposed to go have breakfast. You know what time we want to go have breakfast? 2 p.m.
Okay, it wasn't my fault. Yes it was. Not really. I had to drive. Either way, how it goes, she took long to do her makeup.
I finished doing my makeup when he got here, so he didn't even
I
have to wait
call.
on me.
No. Listen, I have to call 2 hours before.
Okay, for my ladies that do their makeup, you understand the struggle. If he's over here complaining, it's his fault. Cause what do you want me to do my makeup or be looking like Ratchet?
I mean, if you hungry, you just walk out the house and just put on some clothes. You know what I'm saying?
Gotcha. You know what? Talk to me again like that.
You want to play?
No. That's cheating.
Do you
That's
want
cheating.
to play?
That's cheating.
Oh, okay.
I have makeup.
Oh, okay.
That's.
I just want to let you know it's a water gun, so this is all video props, so don't take it serious. Do you really want to play? Huh?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have makeup.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Huh? It's water in here anyway, you guys. You know what I'm saying? But
What if you fill it up with like tequila?
that's oh.
That would
Okay,
be a
so
fun
listen.
drinking game.
Our homeboy, one of our friends, about to come over right now, right? So tonight we're all supposed to be doing something as a friend, right? But we have a little plot twist. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna get my car cleaned. I'm gonna go get a car wash.
We can put them in the back and then lock the.
We're gonna lock the So the whole thing is we're gonna go to the car wash, and we're gonna excuse me. I'm going to let down his windows through the car wash, man, and we got our water guns, and we're just gonna be spraying.
You should have extra clothes on
back.
him, man. I'm gonna feel bad.
That's his fault.
But then he's gonna go to your room and he's gonna get all your clothes. You should know this by now.
That's his fault. So that's the plan, okay? So just stay tuned, bro. It's just the car wash prank we do our friend. I'm pretty excited.
And yeah, I guess he just forgot what he was gonna say, but he's excited.
Facts. Oh yeah, I meant to tell you guys. I had to go back to my old phone, which is kind of better than this one I have now. But I'm still recording on my phone. I could be recording on my camera.
He has a dad phone, literally. Wow, I'm surprised it's not a flip phone.
It's okay.
But yeah, it's
Now I gotta learn how to charge my phone. You know what I'm saying? But hey, like, comment, subscribe. We gotta go, and I'm gonna show y'all when we get there. So just know that it comes to you.
This shit's trippy because it's like just coming towards you, and I feel like the car's moving, but it's not moving. Does it make sense?
Oh, you an asshole. Oh, you an asshole. camera, bruh. Hold on. Oh! You want to play this game? You're in the back seat.
Hey, we got full sticks back here. I don't care. I'll go out. I'll go out. I'll go out.
Hey, bro, you really want to do this? You want to do this?
We're going out. We're going out strong. We're going out strong.
You want to do this? You want to do this?
Y'all can get it. Oh, y'all get it. Yeah. 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 Yeah, you in your seat, nigga.
Ah, shit! All right. It's all truce. Niggas just took a shot. It's okay, bruh. We had to do this prank on you. It's up. Water gun water. Pause. This look wrong. I ain't gonna capture you. It look wrong. Pause.
I looked at the camera, saw your head. I was like, yeah, it looks a little weird.
All right, nigga. Uh-huh. Be with some dumb shit, Tycho. Ah, oh! Oh, this nigga keep trying me like I'm not about it, bro.
That's it?
Oh, I gotta drive forward.
Niggas completely forgot we was at a car wash.
I don't know if I drive forward or what. Like this shit?
That's it.
I don't know.
That's it.
Let's see, outside.
Thanks.
It's okay.
You better get him back for that. I did my makeup.
What you gotta say, Taco?
Still dry.
It's okay, bro. My whole back seat is all messed up, bro.
I still got my phone straight.
She worried about you. You really worried about your makeup?
Yes.
Anyway, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I thought it was gonna be. This is a good video.
It was funny.
It was pretty funny. I ain't gonna cap. It was worth it. Oh, bro, if y'all can see like the front of my car, hold on, I'm about to flip the camera. Hold on, y'all. The front of my car is fucked up. Fuck with these water balloons, bro. Look at my bro. Come on, Ty. Look at what you did.
Hey, that's you. That's your miscarriage.
Nah.
This
My whole back seat. It's okay, bro. That was a good video. I'm on, bro. Look at my fucking shirt.
You're complaining about a shirt? What?
It's a good video. Anyway, go like, comment, subscribe. It's a good video. I gotta see the car from the outside, bro, because I actually needed a car wash, but I don't even think it really clean shit. Oh, watch out, bro. They watching, bro. Now let me stop, because they're dead ass called the cops. I thought they were called the cops.
Because they saw you with pistols?
What a minute.
In a place where people could get wet washing their cars? Yeah. We wouldn't want a car getting wet when they're trying to wash their car.
Thank you for watching the video, y'all. More pranks is gonna be on the way. I told y'all, we trying this whole new prank stuff. I'm pretty liking it right now. I'm not even gonna cap to you. He was first. But someone gonna be next. What?
You, phone, and driving, no.
Man. You know, they don't know me. I'm fucking lightning McQueen, this bitch.
For my life.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Do you want me to put the directions for? Okay. Going back. Got it. I was gonna put exit. Entrance 7. But okay.
Alrighty, man. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm giving more videos on the way. Thank you. Respectfully. Subscribe. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Especially both.